My morning routine. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart ESL Path. I'm really happy you're here. Today, I'm going to share my morning routine, the little steps I take to start my day in a good mood and with energy. Now, I want you to think about your own mornings too. What's the very first thing you do after you wake up? Do you check your phone? Do you make coffee? Or maybe you hit the snooze button a few times. As we go through my routine, you'll also learn useful English words and phrases that you can use to describe your mornings. So while you watch, try to answer these questions. What time do you usually wake up? What do you usually eat for breakfast? And how do you feel in the morning? Sleepy or ready to go? Stay with us until the end because we'll review everything together so you can remember and you'll be able to talk about your morning routine in English with confidence. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's begin the video. All right, let's get started with mine. Hi, my name is Anna. I want to share my morning routine as a part-time online teacher and mom. I enjoy my job because it gives me free time and flexibility. I can choose when I teach and spend more time with my family. It also allows me to stay at home while still earning money. I usually wake up around 5:30 a.m. I like waking up early because it's quiet and peaceful. I sometimes step outside to breathe fresh air and stretch a little before starting the day. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I try to keep it simple but healthy, like toast with eggs or fruit with yogurt. When breakfast is ready, I wake up my husband and kids. We eat together at the table, and after that, I clean up the dishes. Then I help my kids get dressed and pack their school bags. My husband usually drives them to school. Vocabulary. Wake up. To stop sleeping. I wake up at 5:30 every morning. Peaceful. Calm and quiet. The street is very peaceful early in the morning. Stretch. To extend your body or arms to relax muscles. I stretch my arms after getting out of bed. Brush my teeth. Clean teeth with a toothbrush. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Wash my face. Clean face with water and soap. She washes her face before putting on makeup. Breakfast, the first meal of the day. We always eat breakfast together as a family. Simple but healthy. Easy to make but good for your body. A salad is simple but healthy. Get dressed. Put on clothes. The children get dressed before going to school. School bag. A bag children use for school books and supplies. Don't forget your school bag, Tom. Clean up. To make a place neat and clean. I clean up the living room every morning. When the house is quiet again, I do some light cleaning. I tidy the living room, organize the kids' bedroom, and quickly clean the bathroom. Once a week, I scrub the sink, deep clean the toilet, scrub the shower and the mirror to make sure they are all shiny. Sometimes, I also go to the store to buy groceries. If I don't need to shop, I make myself some coffee and sit down at my desk. I check my messages from students, plan my lessons, and then start teaching online. I have 1 to 2 lessons per day. Sometimes they are in the morning, and sometimes they are in the afternoon. After teaching, I will make lunch for myself and enjoy a cup of homemade milk tea. In the morning, if I don't have any classes, I often water the plants, feed the cats, and filter their water. I like playing with the cats because it's really relaxing and it reduces lots of stress, if I have any. 3 times a week, I don't have any classes in the morning, so I will enjoy reading books and prepare the ingredients for other meals in a day. I love cooking, and sometimes I try to bake cakes as well. By the time my family comes home, my lessons are finished and I usually have dinner ready. Having a clear morning routine makes my day go smoothly and helps me balance my work and family life. Vocabulary. Organize. Arrange things in order. She organizes her desk before starting work. Groceries. Food and other things you buy from a store. I bought fresh groceries for dinner. Desk. A table used for working or studying. My desk is next to the window. Lessons. Classes taught by a teacher. I have 2 English lessons today. Routine. A regular way of doing things. Brushing teeth is part of my daily routine. Balance. To manage different parts of life well. It's hard to balance work and family, but I try my best. Reduce. To make something smaller or less. I drink tea to reduce stress. Great job! Now we will sum up some chores in the video and do the quizzes before leaving. Household chores. Clean up the dishes. Make lunch. Scrub the sink. Organize the room. Feed the cats. Filter the water. Water the plants. Bake cakes.
Quiz. A. Matching. Match the word with the meaning. 1. Groceries. 2. Routine. 3. Desk. 4. Wake up. 5. Tidy up. A. To stop sleeping. B. Food you buy from the store. C. A table for studying or working. D. To make a place neat. E. A regular way of doing things. Answer. 1. B. Groceries are foods you buy from the store. 2. E. Routine is a regular way of doing things. 3. C. Desk is a table for studying or working. 4. A. Wake up is to stop sleeping. 5. D. Tidy up is to make a place neat. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. I always my teeth before going to bed. 2. She bought fresh from the market. 3. My children at 7 a.m. every day. 4. This park is very in the morning. 5. Making breakfast is part of my morning. Answer. 1. I always brush my teeth before going to bed. 2. She bought fresh groceries from the market. 3. My children wake up at 7 a.m. every day. 4. This park is very peaceful in the morning. 5. Making breakfast is part of my morning routine. C. Practice speaking. 1. What do you usually eat for breakfast? 2. What time do you usually wake up? 3. Do you prefer a peaceful morning or a busy one? Why? Short answers. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat bread and eggs. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Do you prefer a peaceful morning or a busy one? Why? I prefer a peaceful morning because it helps me relax. Great job, everyone. Today we went through a simple morning routine in English, from waking up brushing teeth, having breakfast, to getting ready for the day. Remember, these are everyday actions, so the more you practice them, the more natural your English will sound. Try saying your own morning routine out loud, or even write it down as a short paragraph. That way, you'll connect the new words and phrases with your real life. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to review, practice speaking daily, and join me again for the next video in the Smart ESL path. Step by step, your English will get stronger and more confident. Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson.
I hope you have checked all our previous videos. If not, then please check it out now. Like, share, and subscribe to Smart ESL Path and upgrade your English today.